Hello friend, welcome back to MiniCooper garage. I'm in process replacing of the clutch on 2006 Mini. This is a 5-speed non-supercharged model, and I would like to show you how to remove correctly pressure plate. So this plate is held by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts. You need a special tool. Let me show you right here. Right, it's like a star tool, and this one is E8, number 8. And what you do basically, these bolts are not very tight, so you break them loose only, but you keep going in this pattern, always the opposite, right? So next one is here, next one is here, next one I will come here, and then I will release the one which I didn't yet. And I'm going like in the quarter turns only. As I said, these bolts are not very tight, so you don't have to stop the flywheel from moving using any screwdrivers or devices. This is easy to break them loose, right? You just need that special star tool, because these are the special bolts where I could show it to you. This one, maybe. Do you see it? Yeah, that's nice. And that's basically one of the steps which you might be wondering how it works or which special tool you might need for that. I am filming a lot of these steps as I go. I'm not doing it as a one movie or one video, but I film it step by step, and you can obviously see all of it in the future on this MiniCooper Garage YouTube channel. So make sure you are subscribed that you don't miss any of those. Thanks for watching today, and have a wonderful day, my friend.